Meet Mr. Evans, a freeman of the Lighterman's Company, whose family have held the exacting post of river postman for over 100 years. Mr. Evans' beat, so to speak, is in and around the Pool of London, in the shadow of the Tower Bridge itself, and his job is to deliver the post to all the ships, barges and odd craft anchored in this neighbourhood. In fine weather, it's a nice pleasant job, says Mr. Evans. But when it's cold and wet, or worse still, foggy, it's both unpleasant and dangerous. Few people realize the amount of real floating population around these parts, but the river postman knows them all. This old houseboat has been here for years, right under the shadow of the tower itself, and all the family know the postman, father, mother, and the 3 kiddies, afloat on our river of liquid history. Further on, we reach bigger game. One of the larger Dutch boats is just in from the east. One of the dangers of this job is the propellers of ships. Woe betide your small boat if one of these fellows hits you, and you have to be pretty nippy sometimes to avoid them. On through sunlit waters to an old customer, and we've reached the famous Dutch eelboats. Here, the skipper collects a letter from the Zuider Zee. These boats are always here. Their privilege of mooring dates back hundreds of years, and they're quite a feature of old Father Thames himself. Ah well, that's done, so good day, and so off to rest. The round is done.